Hello, hello. Yeah, good morning, friends. నేను మీ నిరంజన్ కుమార్. Today we are in day 4. Yesterday I didn't do any trading session. Uh, I created that withdrawal, guys, but it is not came till now. I'm going to cancel it. I will do later. Version completed. First trade added, guys. First trade added. It is going to our favor, but my entry is a little bit late. But I'm expecting up to 50% levels. Okay, the first trade is win successfully. Again, I have taken downside trade. My target will be up to here. has to continue. So our third trade win, second trade loss, and third trade win. We went for upside MTG. Second trade also win. Okay, now I'm looking for proper setup again for our third trade. Buyers, sellers are intact and strong buying, but buyers are not able to continue. Sellers are coming. Okay, uh, 1, 4, 5, 5 sets. I went for upside trade because right, this is a kind of one kind of pattern following market. There is a parallel channel is went and I'm expecting to break this zone. Okay, actually slightly it will be down one. Okay, it has to break this zone. That is what I expected. So, or my third trade also win successfully win the third trade. Seven trades right, only one trade loss. We'll remove that on unavailable pairs. Okay, so I'm looking for downside trade here. It has to go up to this range. Here I am not that much confidence. That's why I took only one trade here. If I confidence right, I'll took more trades. That too, my entry I placed right entry. That is not the perfect place. I'm planning to enter at this level. So this my because of my entry it was wrong. My entry wrong. That's why I was lost. So no problem. But my target will be here up to here this line. Okay, 3 minutes candle open with green. Okay, even 5 minutes candle also green. Actually, this trade is win is as per my view, but my entry is wrong. That's why I lost. But after that, I expected market will come down because of the doji, right? Doji gap down and doji market fill the gap. This gap market fill and closed, but still it is negative candle only because here it is selling pressure. Again here selling pressure compared to the body higher wicking, right? Higher wicking indicating that it's complete selling pressure. That's why I went for my recovery trade. Okay, my target will be here. I already draw the line, right? That is my target. So if you have knowledge, right, it is not possible to close the day in red. Okay, this account I grow from the $100 within today is the fourth day. So up to in 3 days only I reached $200. Today already we are already booked at 5.5%. My target will be 10% minimum daily. Okay, selling, buying, not good. Again buying, somewhat good. Again buying, but still buyers are win. Market is going to cover this week. See that market cover this week. If market is fully covered, right, there is a chances of next candle, red candle will come. Array, again wrong entry, yaar. Once a pending party is completed, right, market will not continue. If it is aggressive trending, then only market will continue. But here I saw the market is in sideways. Okay, market is in sideways. Definitely, once the pending party is completed, it will give one retracement candle. Then only it will go further upside. I'm expecting here one red candle. I thought this red candle at least it will come to this level. That's why I have added here. We'll see what happen up to this level. Minimum up to this level. So this is also win. Okay. Till now, right? If you see here, 15 trades, only 4 trades are lost. Okay. Gap down and going up. If it is closed green, okay, and this will be, it should not cross this level. So if should not cross this level and closed right, again we can go and plan for the upside trade. We'll see. It is close to what I'm expected. It is a very good healthy candle. My target will be here. Okay, there is a zone. Market touches this zone and come back. But last time this level already break out. Buying pressure. If yeah, I went for MTG because of my target will be up to here. This is first attempt, second, third, fourth, and this is the fifth attempt. So fifth attempt, right? It has to give some the fake breakout kind of thing. But market touched this zone and came back. And upside buying also there. From downside also buyers are push the market. We'll see what happen by end of the candle. But my target will be upside only. Still target pending. Morning इतना volatility. अरे बाबा. Leave it. This percentage also very less. Market is in completely bullish. Okay, what is going on here? Sideways, breakout, retracement, planning to go upside. If it is doji kind of candle, right? So I'll go upside trade. Or okay, no, this is not good candle. So we need to wait for one more candle because right, this is a breakout level. Further fresh high need to create. We need one healthy breakout, then only we can go. So this is still see that it is closed within high only. So it is not good for continuation. That to breakout levels. I need some healthy breakout, then we can go with continuation. See that? Okay. After rejecting that level, sellers are not that much aggressive. Arey Baba, again wrong entry, yaar. So buyers are very aggressively movement here. So market will not come down. Tracement हो गया. My entry is wrong, yaar. My entry is wrong. It has opened at the top level, so it's not good. I need to wait for proper entry. If I took the margin right, first 30 seconds time, I need to enter at least here. It will be win. We'll see. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, one win and one refund, no issue. Still, I'm expecting upside because this is candle also looking for upside move, and this candle purely bullish. Buyers are intact, so definitely we may expect some big candle here. The candle has to break this level. It has to go aggressive move. I'm expecting to break this level. Go up. Yes. Okay. Still, it is not good, yeah. Market pushing with buying side only, but slowly it is going up. Good. If again red candle doji is created, right, I will again go upside. Still, we are in $12 profit today. It means 6%. So my target, daily target will be 10%. Okay, why I'm going like this, right? So I have some plan for the next 50 days. Okay, yesterday I didn't do anything. Okay, today we are in 13th, right? So we'll do yesterday due to that personal or personal family this thing, right? So I went outside. That's why I didn't do any trading yesterday. Today I am planning only. Better I can change this date. So here we can add our amount to $12. Okay, here it is a breakout. Okay, candle also very good, but but market will not continue once at the break means level is breakout, and that it is not healthy breakout. Okay, let it come down. So our best entry will be here. Either market touch and rejected this level, again we'll plan for upside trade. But our best entry, if it is red candle right aggressively came down, our best entry will be this level. Okay, sellers intact. Gap down open. But buyers are in line the market. If you see these 10 candles, right, only three red candles. Okay, in that case, right, sellers are not that much aggressive, and that too market is in uptrend mode. So in uptrend, aggressive uptrend mode, right, sellers will not come immediately. This is good selling candle, but sellers are not continue, and that too only three or four red candles, only last 10 candles. So it is a sellers are very weak. That's why I went upside trade. Big creating it is not good. At least it will close up to here. It is close here, then we can go for continuation. No, some big. See, below there is flat open. It means gap down open from at that level. Sellers are very aggressive. That's why market take it up. Okay. See this one till now how many trades we added. So what is our this thing today? So our win rate is 67% win rate. Okay, 67% win rate. So that's why we are in some good profits. So $14 profit till now. My target will be 10% per day. See this, I told you right, this is not a good candle for continuation trade. So market again coming down. Okay, this is the 50% of the body. Come down. So this is a strong area, guys, because of overlapping area. Overlapping area, if we see any rejection here, then it will be very good. That is a overlapping area act as a strong support. Okay, this is overlapping area. Gap and overlapping, these concepts are very powerful in the especially OTC markets. Okay, initially, right, the candle came down and there's a overlapping area. Overlapping still both are green only. Both are green means buyers are very strong at this level, and market rejected this level means buyers are entered very strongly. Sudden move created here again. Okay, I'll go with MTG here. If this trade also lost, right, we can change the pair because market we are expecting to go further upside. We'll see how much. So this is the old swing. Okay, this is the old swing, and okay, okay, it will be 150%, right? Okay. Still, there is a pending upside only. There is a pending upside. Either it is a 25 level, so we need to draw some levels. Then only market will reverse. Already breakout of the 50%. Market cannot reverse at this level. Either it should this level, or it should be this level. Okay. This is what my targets as per 5 minutes candle analysis. My target is still upside only. See that one red error candle created. Last 5 seconds only, it reversed and closed very big red candle. So, and that too it is closed, sellers are exhausted. That's why I went for MTG to recover my loss, and it is very good. So, if it is closed with a good candle, right, then it is very good. I will go with the target. Buyers are very good in this candle. It is pushing, 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 and take it to high levels. A strong rejection here. So we cannot go. If this candle planning to close above this high, then I'm planning to go further upside. But this is not good. We need to wait. If you see here, one green, red, green, double green pattern is changed to double red, our double green. So we cannot continue. If it is continue right, it should this candle should closed above this level. Then only we can continue for target. So it's showing some weakness in the candle. That's why I'm not interested to go upside trade. This is the buyer zone. If buyer zone rejected, right, I will plan for upside. See that? No buying happening on the buying zone. But this one, right, this will work only one time for this next attempt only. But this is already completed, so we cannot consider this as a strong now. One time only, it will act as a strong. Buyers, sellers. Okay, why I have entered means my target is upside. This is a very good buying and fresh high created, and this candle counter attack means sellers are entered. But see, last happened. What happened? The buyers are again push the market upside. So it means in if you consider this into 2 minutes candles, right? If you see what kind of candle, reverse hammer. Whenever reverse hammer, right? So next candle try to go and cover the wick. Okay, that's why I went for the trade upside trade. So there is a theory, guys, so two candle theory, three candle theory kind of thing. So how this, after combine these two candles, right? How the candle will form? It is a doji only. So doji means next candles will go and cover this wick. That is the analysis I did. And one more thing, guys, I have prepared a well-structured document. Okay, if anyone gone through this document, right, so based on my plan and all, so it will be approximately 2 weeks of time I have prepared. Okay, 2 to 3 weeks of time. If you gone through this entire PDF, you will be expert. You will become an expert in the binary market. It has everything from the scratch. Okay, hammer, what is the important levels, everything we have in this document. Okay, what is the gaps, what is the overlap, okay, how the gaps will work out, how the overlaps will work out. So everything I have mentioned very clearly. Okay, so this is a very clear document I have I'm preparing. Okay, how what the level is powerful and where we need to enter the market in by, especially it is only for OTC. Okay, These concepts will not work out in the real market. This is especially for OTC. If you want to become a binary trading in OTC expert, so that's why I created this well detailed analysis document. Okay, if you understand these concepts very clearly, right, it will be very easy to do the trading in binary market. Okay, now I saw something here. Okay, okay. If you see here, there is a pattern is going on here. Okay, red, sorry, green, red, completely cover this, and it is going to fulfill everything. Okay, if this candle closes within these bodies, the next candle will come again red below this level. Below this red candle closing level, it is closed. Next candle, we'll expect the red candle. Okay, gap up open. We'll see. It is not closed what I expected. Okay, so look like market is touched this high level and it is not showing any negative pressure. That's why I went for upside because my target is very near. So the buyers are planning to go and reach the target. Okay, that's why I have added even if it is a big candle open. So I already went for the upside. That is the only one reason. We'll see. Again, sellers are entering into the market. Complete red, yeah. No, we cannot go for counter attack here. We need to wait. It is not good for counter attack for buyers. Actually, we need to consider these things. If I see any lower wick here, then it will be very good. We can look for upside trade because of market is in uptrend. Compared to body, I need bigger wick. Then only I will go for upside trade. No, this is not good. So we'll try for other script. Range breakout. There is a chances of reversal here. Doji candles also very powerful area. The same concept I have mentioned in my document also. Doji also will created as a strong zone. If I see any rejection here, then I'll go for upside trade because market is in uptrend. I didn't see any rejection here, so we need to wait. We'll do the analysis. 50% also breakout. Okay, so The level is very good level here. Okay. If I see any rejection candle, we can go for upside trade here because this is the 50% level. This is 50% level, 25% level. Okay. No, yeah, not. It is not showing any strong rejection. Leave it. The script is not good. Not following the levels. Breakout. We'll see any strong area here. Okay, okay. It came for retracement and breakout and these things. First time attempt, not showing the strength. And second time it is came that same levels. Okay, see if you see the 5 minutes candle, right? It is completely very bigger wick, and that too it came to the previous levels and show the very strong rejection. It means the buyers are in line and they're planning to take it further upside. That is the reason I have added here. This candle also very good candle for continuation, and there is no levels here ups backside. There is no strong levels already in levels are covered. Exhaustion candle. Okay, exhaustion candle. So the reason is again market came to our 50% levels and bounce back. If you think this is the error candle, so next candle it has to go further upside only because of market is in uptrend mode. Okay, market is in uptrend mode. It has to go, it has to look upside movement only. We'll see. I expected counter attack candle here, so this is a very weak candle. Okay, market is in downtrend. There is a pattern is going on. See this candle, right? It is showing some buying pressure, and I came back because of sellers are very aggressively came, but slowly buyers are entering. We need to wait here. In downtrend market, right? We cannot look for the downside trade, sorry, upside trade, because that is very risky. So as per trend, if you are going right, there is a chances of high winning. Okay, so we need to wait for the proper place for downside trade, then we can enter. So in market, right, especially in binary market, right, patience is very important for success. So if it is a small wick is there, I'm planning to go for continuation trade, downside trade. If it is a big wick, we'll leave it. A PDF I'll share you guys. I already told you. So last piece of part is pending. Okay, I need to add one or two lessons last. Okay, money management and risk management and how to avoid over trading. These kind of things. Subject wise, the PDF is ready. Subject wise, the PDF is ready to red green is pattern is following. Yeah, come down. Okay, I'm expecting continuation here. Our target is here. We'll see. Flat opening, no gap up, no gap downs. Closing 76, 76 open. Yeah. Actually, here I went for continuation. There is a one error candle created, but I missed to add that MTG trade. But still, after seeing that this is also good candle, it's created a fresh low. Okay, it means sellers are planning to take it further downside. Okay, this is win. We need another 3 to 4 trades win here, then it will be fine. And the DCHF. So it will come to this line and it touches and it is showing any rejection after touching this level, right? I'm expecting to go further upside. But after seeing these kind of two strong selling candles, right, this candle doji, okay, is not good for our upside trade. So that's why we didn't go for any trade here. We are waiting for proper level entry. If you see here, this is still red candle. This is still hammer. After combining of these three candles also, still it look like as a hammer. Downside, still downside pressure is there. I took one margin entry here, but here still buyers are not that much strong. Okay, selling doji, again selling, green candle completely go and close the red. I took some margin entry. I'm expecting again this some pushing will come downside. That is the reason I have added strong buying after high breakout, no rejection. Buyers are aggressively started, guys. Gap up also created. Are Baba, gap up created. Yeah, to breakout level, gap up created. If this momentum, right, if momentum creates and try to go and cross above this level, it will be good. Otherwise, right, there is a high chances losing my trade. It has to give some good momentum and try to break this high. Then only it will be good. Otherwise, I lose my trade as per my uh, analysis and my reading of the market. High chances. Gap up. At this level, we cannot expect gap up here. If gap up created, right, it has to give some strong momentum, na, then it will be good. Otherwise, it is not good. If you see here, in this case, the candle is closed like here only. So, which is not good. Better we'll move to the other script. Selling buyer cover the wick. If this candle closed green, right, I will try for downside trade. No, we'll see. I'm expecting some rejection at this zone, and that too previous candle is completely closed Morboju. Okay, complete 100% Morboju this one. It will come to here. Leave it. I'm expecting downside trade here. We'll see. If this is lost, right, so then I'm planning to close session because market is, if not market following our levels, right, we cannot chase the market. If you are chasing the market, right, so you lose your profits as well as you lose your capital. So these things, right, what I saw here after strong buying candles, there is a long wick in downside. It means some selling pressure is happen here, and that too, this is not the good candle for the buyers to go with the continuation. That's why I have added for the downside trade here. This is win. Okay, market came to 50%, 25% level. Touches. There is a zone is here. Selling. If this candle closes below this wick, okay, if this candle closes below this wick up near to this level, right, I'm planning to go upside trade. Good morning, guys. So I saw this level, that this level, right, there is a rejection. There is a good wick is created. That's why I went for upside, and that too, this is our strong area. It has give one pullback move, yeah. Continuously coming down, right, has to give one pullback move, 2 to 3 steps of upside move, okay, then it will continue down. Come on. No. Okay, guys. So I'm closing session now here. Okay. So we are in only just $2 profit only. But it went, we are take it to up to $215. But market is not following our levels. We need to take the break. We cannot chase the market if your levels are not following. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'll do my trading whenever I'm free, right? Morning only I little bit be free. That's why I'm giving the live in the morning. In afternoon, I am the software professional. I have to go to office. That's why it is not possible to give multiple sessions and all. So, but I have started my journey for next 50 days with $100. I already reached in 3 days. I reached already $200. It means 100% return already completed. So this is the fourth day. My daily minimum target will be 10%. Now market is not following the levels. These are strong levels here. After rejecting also, right, it has to give small one retracement candle, but still very good selling pressure is created. So it is not following our levels. So we cannot chase the market if levels are not following. If you chase the market, right, continues, your analysis is good, but market is not following that level. So multiple losses will create. If continue losses came, right, your mindset will corrupt, and you can go with the revenge trading for the recover the losses. Then it will be complete account is wipe out. So here I'm not lose anything. Still I'm in $2 profit means 1% profit is a very good for as per the government rate of interest. So we are in good only. But but end of the day, my target will be 10%. I will definitely I'll close that one. But as of now, market is not supporting to go with the 10% levels. Okay, I am closing the session now here. Thank you guys. Thanks for supporting.